Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to set up inverting amplifier circuit using LM741 microcontroller. That means operational amplifier. So go to create circuit. Here we need operational amplifier. So it's here. Select this one. And two resistors. One function generator. And oscilloscope, two oscilloscope. So then we see how to connect the circuit. So here this is the circuit. Then we have to set the values for the power supply and signal generator and resistor that values. So go to power supply. I need 15 voltage. So 15 voltage. I need a voltage power supply. So here it is 1 ampere. So 1 ampere. Then this one 0.1 second. This also 0.1 second. Then function generator, I need 10 Hz. That's easy for visual. So amplitude, this amplitude means peak to peak value. So I set 2, that means one positive voltage, one negative voltage. So I set this to 0. This is offset value. Then I need a sine wave. Then I have to set the resistor value. That means that is the reason for amplification. So when we set the resistor value, we have to consider that. So this one I need 2 kilowatts. I set this to 25. That means amplification ratio 25 divided by 2. That means 12.5. So okay, that's all the circuit. Now let's check the simulation. So start simulation. Here you can see this one is the supply voltage. That means one positive to one negative. That means peak to peak 2 voltage sine wave. So let's check the output. Here total 40 voltage. This means nearly 12.5. So, that means sometime there are some losses due to resistors. So this is the way to set the inverting amplifier circuit. In the next video we will see how to set up the non-inverting amplifier circuit. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.